of the human species, as we're taught here on Earth, that we are either created by God or we're evolved from apes, two completely different scenarios. And of course, there's the entire third narrative that we talk about, that we were created by another superior or older advanced species, which is, I guess, the Anunnaki argument. A lot of people get stuck that the three are mutually exclusive. And my argument there is, if God can create a human being, a Homo sapien, and everything else on planet Earth, why couldn't God create species on other planets, in other solar systems, other galaxies, and seemingly in other universes that are also beyond our capability? Is that a fair argument to say that there is still one creator of everything?
Yes, the different races out there in the cosmos refer to this as the one infinite creator, which is pure energy, it's pure consciousness, pure awareness. And it's equivalent to universal consciousness, which is the all pervading mind of the cosmos. And so, yes, there is one infinite creator, and we are all expressions of it. And not
So,
just here on the earth, but all the different people out there, all the different humans throughout the different worlds.
indeed. And so we started this conversation a few minutes ago, you talked about the idea of AI at some superior level having taken over and almost dictating to the humans that control planet Earth to move us into that same direction. And this follows off of what you just said with, Terminator movies and cyborgs and technological. And this is the whole point. And so what we're saying now in this war of the cosmos and this battle for Earth right now will somehow result in a split where humanity, organic humans, will somehow split from whichever way the rest of society is being led down a pathway through a technical AI body. The question, therefore, Ishmael, at this point is that if humans were to become merged with AI, with artificial intelligence, with computers, with robots and chips, they're not necessarily going to make themselves extinct, but they're going to evolve more and more to become almost completely a robotic AI. Is that how it would evolve down if we went down that pathway?
Yeah, and that has already existed. Other races have fallen into that pathway, and now they
Mm.
regret it. Now they're time traveling back in time in order to try to save their dying race. See, the problem with integrating with technology is that we begin to lose our connection to that prime creator source or that universal consciousness that I referred to earlier as the one. And when we do that, we begin to pretty much we see we begin to less and less we begin to cease to exist. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. We begin to cease to exist as a soul, as a spirit, as an eternal um, spirit, and we become just mechanical. We lose emotion, we lose our genitals, we can no longer procreate. And and that's why in many cases they first try to implement transgender, so that then later could that eventually transgenderism will lead to transhumanism.
Yes.
They want to begin to confuse people's you know what they are, and that's why they're trying to influence the children in school, because it's all part of the transhumanist overall takeover of our planet.